All right, so here's another simple winner on NQ with the breakout right here on the 3-minute time frame. Me, I like the 3-minute personally. I get the alerts on the 3. I did make profit, but I already took my profit and closed out for today. Why did I take profit so early, even though this probably hit right here to the target? Here's a learning lesson. Ooh, and this thing is dropping. Oh, goodness gracious. Me, oh my, oh me, oh my. But here's the dashboard. I'm always paying attention to the dash. What is the dashboard showing? The dashboard is showing that right now we have a drop in the market, which is very true. But overall it's still showing that this is still what? Bullish. And this is telling me, hey, you should be only taking buy trades to stick with the higher time frames. But you know, when the money's there, the money's there. You know what I mean? Just like on this trade, it's dropped. It said sell. Your stop was up here, entry. And eventually this went overnight. This was overnight during London last night. So it did hit TP eventually right there. It hit target. So again, I keep telling you guys, you can take trades in both directions. Excuse me. You can take trades in both directions. It's not a big deal. Just know that, you know, the factors of the win rate will be much higher if it's in the direction of the major trend, but it doesn't mean you can't take these trades. So that's the reason why. And so you can see the price action is stalling right here. So that's the reason why when they did it that first time and it stalled out right about up here where you see this previous candle. Let me see if I can make this bigger for you guys. Right here on this candle right here is where I took my profit. Why? Because I'm staring at this dashboard and it's still saying, no, this thing has upward momentum. So therefore I don't want to fight the overall trend. I'll scalp it for a couple of points, get in and out. And you can see right here, for those who don't know, this red line, that's where actual, I use Hakanashi candles and I'll switch over to regular candles. Maybe that'll help you guys to see. I like Hakanashis because it keeps everything simpler for me. But now you can see this thing, it dipped down, and this is what I was saying. It dipped down, and when it does, because this is still bullish, you see that it's going right back up. Okay, going right back up. So this is when you just want to take something quick off the table and get back out and wait for the next trade alert, or just don't take these at all if you don't want to. So what you can do in your alerts is to say, hey, I only want trade setups that, you know, buy alerts. So that means these you will not receive as alerts because you only want the buy alerts if price action breaks through the top because the overall market is bullish. You can do that as well. Me, I just scalp a little bit off of these, take a little bit off the top, and I'm going to switch back to the Hakanashi candles, which I prefer. They're a little more, make a lot more sense to me. So when this one dipped down to here, I took my profit and I got out quickly. I did not hold to TP, and you can see exactly why. So this is a very good learning opportunity for you guys who's using the parallel universe, how to properly use it. And look what happened. It did dip down, and temporarily now it's calling me right back up. Why? Because look at this. So that's for those who trade in both directions. That's what you got to pay attention to, okay? So hopefully this video helped and bless you guys. I'll see you in the next video. But yeah, I took a little something off the top because it was the New York market open. By the way, for those who don't know, this was the New York market open. So this was the 945 candle that closed outside of the channel. My alert came in. I got in on the next one candle. It dipped down quickly, and you know, I tried to take some quick profits, and which I did, and then went back up. And the market was moving so fast, I was trying to record it, but hey, I'm gonna take my money before I worry about doing a video for y'all. So I was trying to record it while it was happening live, but I saw that the drawback was starting to happen, so I took my profits first, and I said I'll just record and do some explaining. You got some explaining to do. You got some explaining to do. So anyway, as you guys can clearly see, it didn't reach TP. Why? Because of this. So if you do take these, just scalp a little bit and get back out of it. Don't try to hold it all the way. Now, last night was convenient because why? It was you know, heading 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning on London. It was 2:30 right before London time. So that's what happened. London's open at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that's what happened. So this one slowly drifted and hit TP. This was fast moving, and this is the New York session. So guess what? They want things to be bullish. I'm going to agree with you. I took a little something, and now it's going back up. And I will wait for the next trade alert, and hopefully it'll be a buy. Got it? Get it? Got it? Good. Okay. Just want to make sure y'all understanding how to use it. How to use it. All right, we got nothing here. See, nothing here. So I'll just wait. And look at this, fully bullish. It's fully bullish. So I'll just wait. Okay, peace.